Welcome back. Let's talk to Matt Brown. Morning to you, Matt.
Good morning.
Right, let's kick off with the morning headlines. Bitcoin on CME, US tax reform and Brexit talks. Buy, sell and hold, I guess.
Yeah, so similar themes ongoing. Bitcoin on the CME. This is obviously important for Bitcoin over the weekend. Almost reached $20,000. Didn't quite get there, but the CME, different from the CBOE, it's pricing Bitcoin off of various exchanges, and this will probably get more volume and more traction. It is a speculative currency, as a lot of major bank leaders and central bank leaders are coming out. Interesting, but we're also seeing the likes of Litecoin, Ripple, all the other cryptocurrencies actually getting a bit of a bid as well on the back of it. An asset bubble, who really knows? But onwards and upwards for Bitcoin. US tax reform, well, we may actually get a deal this side of Christmas, but again, don't hold your breath on that. And that seems to be kind of pushing the market. Equities having a bit of a lift in the US on Friday, Asian markets and European equities this morning. But it hasn't been an out-and-out Santa rally. It hasn't been all guns blazing. Market's been trickling higher, but when we look back at the performance of the year, the moves over the year, I don't think this Christmas 2017 is going to be as big a move as we've seen in recent years, but still a lot to play for, unlike England and the Ashes, unfortunately. So the markets, we could have a rally into the close of the week. Brexit talks as well. Theresa May's actually done quite well. She seems she's getting a round of applause from all sides at the moment. There's talk in the newspapers as well. The Conservative MPs and her party are saying, look, stick around to 2021, please. We actually need the stability that you're now bringing to the table. Going back a few weeks or a month or so ago, there was talk for her to resign. Yeah. Now it looks as if Theresa May could be at the helm, well, for the foreseeable future at least.
Let's go to the leaderboard. We've got Just Eat.
Incredible rise, Just Eat here. Moves into the FTSE 100 today. That was announced obviously a few weeks ago, along with DS Smith and Halma. This is an incredible stock, floated in 2014. Aggressive acquisitions has seen the market cap increase tremendously, looking at about 5.2 billion. Worth noting, worth now more in market cap than Sainsbury's. It's an online presence. I mean, it's a presence, I should say. It goes to show you, if you want to make money, just be a good middleman. That's all they're doing, is delivering products and services. The outlay is quite low for them. The margins are quite high, and hence the stock is performing very well.
Small cap wise, plus 500. Obviously, the spread bettors this morning hitting the headlines.
Exactly. Now, I picked out plus 500, but it's worth noting the likes of CMC, London Capital Group, and IG Group with the main market share. Now, this is on the back of the European Securities and Markets Authority basically putting the kibosh on binary options. Many of the spread bettors had stopped doing binary options at the start of the year. It's still in focus, though, with regards to what they want to do with regulation of the CFD and spread betting leverage.
On the retail.
On the retail side. What does it mean? Well, the indications are that a lot of these companies are going to have to reduce their marketing spend or marketing presence. So certainly the ESMA is worried about that. How the FCA as well, there's still ongoing review of how they're going to approach. What does that mean for all these spread bettors? Well, for this year, financial year, it won't have an impact. For next year, it could possibly. The share price is plus 500, trading down about 12% this morning, likes of IG about 7%, and CMC similarly down 12%. It's all about next year, but what it does mean for the larger companies, the likes of IG and CMC, they've got the market share. New entrants to the market, like plus 500 a few years ago, won't be able to advertise and get new customers in. So actually, for the big players, this could actually turn out to be a positive.
Good news, understood. Currency-wise, Great British Pound against US dollar 133.54, Euro, Great British Pound 88.30, all pretty dull in the currency markets.
Fairly dull, fairly stable.
Nothing to add.
Nothing to add, I must confess.
Right, let's go to the core number. 35 million, what's that?
35 million. Now, this is, according to an accountancy firm, the number of gallons of fizzy wine drank by in the UK in 2016, 2017. That's up from 33 million. That's the likes of Prosecco, Champagne, Cava, etc. It's an incredible... The Brits love their bubbly and love their sparkles. So look out for that. Also, English sparkling wine performing very well. So the likes of Chapeldown listed on the next exchange, hopefully getting them in over the next day or so to speak to the CEO. But with Christmas around the corner as well, I think that seems to be the new habit of the Brits is drinking the fizz.
Okay, let's wrap up with the calendar. That looks pretty dull to me. CPI in the Eurozone, CPI industrial trends in the UK. In the US, we've got the housing market index.
Yeah, CPI is probably the only major data print today out of the Europe as we speak. It's going to be a quiet week on the economic docket front.
Matt, thank you very much indeed.